Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on research aptitude. Most expected multiple choice questions to be asked in UGC NTA net paper first. Come to the question. 1. The probability of a head and a tail of tossing 4 coins simultaneously is A. 42,583. Actually, it is a matter of calculation. The correct option is B. 42,370. 2. While writing research report, a researcher A. must not use the numerical figures in numbers in the beginning of sentences. B. must arrange it in logical, topical and chronological order. C. must compare his results with those of the other studies. D. all. The correct option is D. all. 3. The per capita income of India from 1950 to 1990 is 4 times. This study is A. social, B. horizontal, C. longitudinal, D. factorial. Correct option is C. longitudinal. 4. If you are doing experiment on a large group of sample, which method of controlling will you adopt? A. Matching, B. Randomization, C. Elimination and matching both, D. Elimination. The correct option is B. Randomization. A good hypothesis should be A. precise, specific and consistent with most known facts. B. formulated in such a way that it can be tested by the data. C. of limited scope and should not have global significance. D. all. Correct option is D. all. 6. All causes non-sampling errors except A. faulty tools of measurement, B. inadequate sample, C. non-response, D. defect in data collection. The correct option is B. inadequate sample. 7. For doing external criticism, for establishing the authenticity of data, a researcher must verify A. the signature and handwriting of the author, B. the paper and ink used in that period which is under study, C. style of prose writing of that period, D. all. The correct option is D. all. 8. Survey study aims at 1. knowing facts about the two existing situations, 2. comparing the present status with the standard norms, 3. criticizing the existing situation, 4th. identifying the means of improving the existing situation. The correct option is B, wherein series first, second and third is correct. 9. The historical research is different from experimental research in the process of A. replication, B. the formulation of the hypothesis, C. the hypothesis testing, D. all. The correct option is D. all. 10. A research problem is feasible only when A. it is researchable, B. it is new and adds something to knowledge, C. it has utility and relevance, D. all. Correct option is D. all. 11. Hypothesis cannot be stated in A. null and question form terms, B. declarative terms, C. general terms, D. directional terms. Correct option is C. general terms. 12. Total error in a research is equal to, correct option is B, square root of sampling error plus non-sampling error by 2. 13. The validity and reliability of a research problem will be at stake when A. the author who is the source of information is biased, incompetent and dishonest. B. the incident was reported after a long period of time from that of its occurrence. C. The researcher himself is not competent enough to draw logical conclusions. The all. A correct option is D. All. Seeing a very big rally, it was reported that JD will win the election. The conclusion was based on correct option is B. Cluster sampling. The review of the related study is important while undertaking a research because A. It avoids repetition or duplication. B. It helps in understanding the gaps. C. It helps the researcher not to draw illogical conclusions. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. Studying the social status of a population, a researcher concluded that Mr. X is socially backward. His conclusion is A. Wrong, B. Right, C. Inaccurate, D. Biased note. Correct option is C. Inaccurate. 18. In order to augment the accuracy of the study, a researcher A. should increase the size of the sample, B. should be honest and unbiased, C. should keep the variance high, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 19. Which of the following is a primary source of data? Correct option is C. Oral testimony of traditions and customs. 20. A researcher wants to study the future of the Congress in India. For study, which tool is most appropriate for him? A. A questionnaire, B. Schedule, C. Interview, D. Rating scale. The correct option is A. Questionnaire. 21. It is an example of negative correlation. A. An increase in population will lead to a shortage of food grains. B. Poor intelligence means poor achievement in school. C. Corruption in India is increasing. D. Poor working condition retards output. Correct option is A. An increase in population will lead to a shortage of food grains. 22. The other name of independent variable for an experimental research is R. A. Treatment variable, B. Experimental variable, C. Manipulated variable, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 23. Which of the following is not the characteristic of a researcher? Correct option is D. He is not versatile in his interest and even in his native abilities. 24. Bibliography given in a research report. A. Helps those interested in further research and studying the problem from another angle. B. Makes the report authentic. C. Both A and B. Correct option is C. 25. Collective psychology of the whole period is a theory which, correct option is A, can explain all phases of historical development. 26. If the sample drawn does not specify any condition about the parameter of the population, it is called, correct option is B, distribution-free statistics. 27. Research is born out of, correct option is A, human curiosity. 28. Which of the following is the first step of research? A. Identification of subject, B. Identification of the nature of problem, C. Both A and B. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 29. The final result of a study will be more accurate if the sample drawn is, correct option is C, representative to the population. 30. Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums, formerly Indian Black Research Institute, is at, correct option is C, Ranchi. So all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, our classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needed now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.